So guys, welcome to Emission Electrical. So today, this a Parapet light wiring diagram. So I made a video of one gang switch. Now this is a two gang switch. This is a two gang switch. You see how the connection will be done. So watch out. Please subscribe, share our video for other useful videos. So guys, you can see it here now. These two, there is no connection here. I see there's no connection here, and there's no connection here. That shows that we have two gang switch here. So watch out how I will do the connections. Watch out how I will do the connection. So this is the end circuit, and this is the end. So here now, I will take the switches here. The switches here because I have two gang switch. So watch out. So watch out. This two gang switch. It's a two gang switch. So you can see now this is the two gang switch. So here let's do the connection now. Remember what I told you? This is the switch. So the lead wire. This is the lead. This is the black wire. So let's do the connection now. So here let's start the connection. This is the red wire here. This is the red wire. So this one now will come directly to. I normally use L1 as my switch, and this one now, this is the red wire. This is the red wire here, and this one now from here will come direct to L1 of this switch. This switch now. So remember what I told you. This is a single two gang switch. So this is the neutral. This is the neutral wire. This neutral wire will go straight to this place here. Neutral wire. And this one, this neutral wire, will join to this one. Or it can go direct to DB, depending, but since there is a close range, you can join it to this place. You can take neutral from any place. So here now we have two common. These two common will be looped. You loop the two of them in the switch. This is a loop. You loop the two of them in the switch there, and it will come direct to here. This is the neutral. This is the live. This is the live wire. You loop the live wire together, and this is the live. Black, lead. So you can see the two gang is already wired here. It's the two gang of socket Parapet lights. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Emission Electrical. Thanks. So watch it out and comment. Tell us if you are finding it difficult to connect. We are at your service. Thanks.